nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Happy Kids School ifite abarimu b'inzobere batanga amasomo mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne, tutibagiwe na creche ndetse n'amashuri abanza ariyo primary school. Mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne, tubafitiye amashuri yose uko ariyo baby class, middle class na top class. Mu mashuri abanza cyangwa se primary school tubafitiye kuva mu mwaka wa mbere kugeza mu mwaka wa gatandatu. Nuzana umwana wawe muri Happy Kids School uzamuzanye amaboko meza y'abarezi b'inzobere muri uyu mwuga. Iri shuri riherereye hari Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri cricket neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83 cyangwa 0788 45 96 32. Zana umwana wawe ku ishuri ry'icyerekezo cy'ikinyagihumbi.
Welcome back to our lesson. We have another topic in English, and this is continuous tense. Continuous tense is used for action, but action that is happening just right now. For example, the teacher, me teacher Mary, I am teaching. What am I doing? I am teaching. So, if I'm teaching, it is something that I'm doing right now. I am teaching. We change the words in continuous tense by adding ing. For example, we have these examples here. The teacher is writing on the chalkboard. For example, I am writing on the chalkboard, yes. But which word did I use? I use the word write. What am I going to do? I am going to change this E. Instead, I add ing. That is so that it can be continuous tense. Example, we have the children are playing. Which word are we going to change? The word play. What are we going to do? We are going to add ing to make it continuous tense. So, when I read my word, what are the children doing right now? They are praying. Where are they praying? Maybe they are praying outside the classroom. Now we have example number 3. The baby is crying. Which word did we use? We use the word cry. But we won't write it because it is something that is happening now. We are going to change it into continuous tense. What are we going to do? When we change it into continuous tense, that means we are going to add ing to make it in continuous tense. So the baby is crying. What is happening? The baby is crying. And ask all about continuous tense. It is just, but something to put it on your mind is that we change words. For example, you have said the word right. If you want to change the word right into continuous tense, you must remove E and then add ing to make it into continuous tense. I hope you have understood. This is all that about you're going to do in your holiday package. So remember to write the correct answer. Also remember to read. You read your question when you understand, when you're supposed to change the continuous tense, and you write the correct answer. And also remember to write with right handwriting. You know what you always say? You must shape your letters well. Remember to shape your letters well, and then write the right question there. I hope you have enjoyed our topic today about continuous tense. Remember